What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. I'm out here tonight. Gonna walk to the beach here. I got some parties going on, and apparently there's gonna be some fireworks going on, but got a pumping restaurant right over here. And oh, up ahead, it's pretty crazy because you can hear the sounds, but you can feel the vibrations of the fireworks going off. And I'm gonna try and walk maybe 200 yards, and then I'll be able to see them clear. It should be really good, but lots of people are walking down the road here, but I'm so close. I gotta cross the street. Let's see if I can cross the street. Oh! There we go. That's better. I mean, look at this. These guys are stopped in the middle of the street right here just to check out the fireworks. I gotta try and cross this traffic here so I can get a better view of this. Look at that. Let's push the button. Let's see if we can go. Oh, that was close. There you go. Now you can see how many people are out here. There's quite a lot of people on the bridge here checking it out. And got the police right here checking it out too. Not bad, eh? Even the police are being nice. Have a look at this. Surprisingly, it's really quiet right here for everybody watching the fireworks going off. But it's pretty cool. Basically where it is a horse race track that they've closed down and lit it all up. And I mean, look at all the people here. It's just packed with people all here to come check out that. Look at this guy FaceTiming the other guy watching it. There we go. Welcome to Kansamir, where there's palm trees and fireworks. God, look at all these people here. Oh my God. Can you get a view? All these people come down to check out the fireworks tonight. That's spectacular. I mean, look at them all. They're all on the beach. It's completely packed. Let's do it like this. Gotta love it with the palm trees. Wow. Well, let's go check it out a little bit farther down. It's a pretty crazy show. gotta say, there's so many people out here tonight watching the fireworks, totally relaxed. There's probably maybe 10,000 people all behind me, all on the beach, all on the grass. Look at this little kid's got an ATV right here, something around. But have a look at these fireworks tonight. Look at all these people down here on the beach. I mean, there's thousands of people all on the beach here, all watching the fireworks. Here, all sitting in the grass here. You got them all sitting all the way down here. You got cars parked as far as you can see, and it's like, wow. And it's gonna be a busy night trying to leave to get back in your car and to go home, but everybody thought it was finished, but you know, here in France we do it pretty wild. So, I mean, have a look at this. This is pretty incredible. It's getting wild. Look at this. You can I gotta say, that was really impressive. I gotta say, for 15 minutes of fireworks, a lot of money spent on that. And I mean, a lot of people come out to watch it, and that was pretty impressive. And yeah, all these people, I mean, there's so many people. It's 11 o'clock at night right now. A lot of people are out here, and I mean, it's 35 degrees. It's so beautiful out, but yeah, that was an impressive fireworks show. But I gotta say, the police are gonna have their hands full with all these people crossing the road, walking in the middle of the street, everything, all trying to leave to get back in their cars. I mean, look at all these people. It's absolutely just jam-packed over here. So for me, I decided to walk in the middle. A few other people did as well. But look at all the people trying to walk. And now all the cars are gonna try and leave too. It's gonna be crazy, but that's half the fun of coming and check out the fireworks. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.